In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your free Amazon Prime trial. Now, whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the world of Amazon, getting started with Amazon Prime can certainly enhance your shopping and entertainment experience. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's open up your Chrome browser. In the address bar, type in https://www.amazon.com prime and hit enter. This URL will take you directly to the Amazon Prime homepage where you'll see several enticing offers and benefits that come with a Prime membership. To begin your journey, simply click on Start Your Free Trial. It's important to note that this step sets you up for a completely risk-free trial designed to give you a taste of the various perks available. Next, you'll need to sign in with your existing Amazon account. If you already have one, go ahead and enter your login details. But if you're new to Amazon, don't worry, just click on Create Account and follow the easy steps provided. This usually involves entering some basic information like your name, email address, and a secure password. It's a simple process designed to get you going quickly so you can dive into all that Prime has to offer. After you're logged in or have successfully created your account, it's time to enter your payment details. Here, you can choose from a few options: a valid credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. Remember, entering these details is a standard procedure, and rest assured you won't be charged during the trial period. Amazon only uses this information to ensure a smooth transition should you choose to continue with the membership after your trial ends. Now, with all that squared away, it's time to enjoy your free Amazon Prime trial. Depending on where you live, the trial period can either be a generous 30 days or sometimes a 7-day trial, offering you enough time to explore all the benefits. And what benefits there are! Enjoy fast and free shipping on millions of items, dive into binge-worthy shows and movies on Prime Video, tap into your favorite tunes with Prime Music, and take advantage of exclusive deals only available to Prime members. Finally, let's talk about what happens when your trial comes to an end. It's crucial to manage your Prime membership proactively. Before your trial expires, head over to your account, navigate to Prime Membership, and then click on Manage Membership. From here, you can decide whether to cancel and avoid any charges or continue with your newfound Amazon Prime lifestyle, in which case you'll automatically be billed monthly or annually. And there you have it, the seamless guide to starting and managing your Amazon Prime trial.